Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 11 September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given 4-digit integer count. So in this problem we just need to make 4-digit which contains the values like uh, repetition of 2 and the repetition of uh, 2 plus x plus 1 twice. You didn't get that right? I too. So in this case, we just need to make something like xx, yy. And y is nothing but y is equal to x plus 1. So if the x value is 2, the sample output will be like 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3. So we just need to make this kind of patterns. So in this case, we have 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here. So we can make 2, 2, 3, 3. And here we have 1, 1, and we don't have enough 2 after the 1, right? So we are just having only 1, 2 here. So we confirm that. After that, we have already formed 2, 2, 3, 3 pair. So we can skip that because they have asked only for the unique pairs. So after that, we have 7, 7 here and 8, 8 here. So the pairs will be 2, 2, 3, 3, 7, 7, 8, 8. That's why we are getting the output as 2. So in this case, we are getting 1, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 2, 3, 3 and yeah, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 4, 4, 5, 5, I guess. No, 5, 5, 6. Where was the second 6? 2, 3, and where was the fourth pair?
A few moments later.
6, 5, yeah, we are having 5, 5, 6 and 6 here. So it will be like 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. So those are the 4 pairs. That's why we are getting output 4 here. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. First input part, which is nothing but s equal to input dot split, sorry, this should be strip. Split is nothing but something else. Okay, L is nothing but some empty list. So we are going to solve the program like how we have done here. We are just going to find the character and we'll check if it has multiple number of occurrence. So if it has, we are just going to check for the x plus 1 value as 2 occurrence, right? So if it has, we will add that in a list. So for I in range of len of s minus 3. So we just need a 4-digit, right? So there is no sense or no meaning of searching for the word after this. Like for this case, the 8, 8 is end with this 7, 7 also. So there is no need for going for 3 and 8, 8 as a separate iteration. So that's why I'm cutting off those values here. Because with the 3 character we can't able to form a 4-digit, right? That's why if s of I dot count of, sorry, this should be s and here it should be s of I is greater than 1, we just need to check one more thing. If s dot count of s of I plus 1. Sadly, this s of I plus 1 is a string, right? So we just need t equal to int of and str of. We can use this directly like str of int of, but that seems like a cringy thing, right? So that's why t is greater than 2 and we should go for the index which has after the x value, right? So for that it should be I is 2, then L list dot append of the value s of I into 2 plus t into 2, print list. It's time for to give the input. So if I pass the input like this, we are getting an empty list. That's, yeah, it should be greater than 1. Now we are getting 2233, 1122, 2233, 2233, 7788, 7788. So we can cut this repetition just by specifying set. So now we got 1122, 2233, 7788. But according to our output, it's 2 pair, right? But we are getting 3. This is because we are searching after the I index, right? So this one has 2 number of 2 after this, and also its count is greater than 1, right? But we just need to check after this. So for that we just need to make the search according to the index. S dot index of s of I comma I plus 1. So what I'm just doing is, we already know we are just need a 2 pairs, right? So I'm just searching for the one which has the last index. Like here the last occurrence of 1 is here, right? Which is nothing but a second occurrence. So I'm just searching after this index for the pair x plus 1. So if I do that, we will
தனியா
get
கொண்டு போய் வச்சு என்னை கிள்ளி
something
கிள்ளின்னு
not
கிழிஞ்ச
found.
மனப்பூர்வமா எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஆனா இப்படி பொம்பளை பிள்ளை முன்னால என்ன கேவலமா பேசுனீங்க. உங்களுக்கு எனக்கு இருக்க அன்னூன்னிய கட்டாய் போய்.
Amazing. S dot index of s of I comma I plus 1. This should work fine because it has a count of
ஐயோ
2, right?
பாவம்.
So it
அவரே
should,
கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிட்டாரு.
yeah, now I got it. Here also I just need to specify I is 2 because we just need the count of I after the given index, right? We just don't need to check for the previous values. So if I do that, we will get rid of that error, and we are getting the pairs 2233 and 7788. So instead of printing the pairs, we just need to print the length or total number of pairs in it. So that's it. We are getting 2, right? So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this is the code for you. Hope you really understood what we are doing here. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.